Your continued support of the CoinSeries channel is much appreciated. Request from new viewer is, which of these options do you prefer? Please people cast your vote in the community option. Option A XRP. Option B Ripple. Option C SEC. South Africa, Brazil, India, and Russia, together known as the BRICS, are collaborating with Ripple Labs to develop CBDC, a digital currency set to supersede the US dollar. The rapid integration of XRP into the systems of important U.S. agencies including as Congress, the Treasury, and the Federal Reserve is not surprising from an XRP perspective, recognizing the value and potential of the XRP network. The relevant organizations are eager to integrate it into their own financial systems. The legal landscape is seeing significant changes alongside the world's great transformation. As more and more U.S. government entities show interest in using the RippleNet system to process payments, Ripple Labs has begun settlement talks with the SEC. The most recent development in these discussions is a proposed settlement in which Ripple would pay $20 million for XRP sales to institutions. As a result, the Ripple SEC litigation may finally come to a close. In addition, Wall Street companies, private banks like JP Morgan and BlackRock, and private financial organizations like BlackRock are not sitting on their hands, rather, they are purchasing XRP with the intention of using it. BlackRock even went so far as to say that XRP would be used for payments and is not a security in a report they released. Using XRP as the blockchain component of the government payment system is obviously a goal of the Federal Reserve. The new Payment Services Initiative of the Federal Reserve, Fed, has been in the news recently. Its stated goal is to leverage blockchain technology to enable instantaneous exchanges between stable coins and fiat currencies. The Federal Reserve intends to collaborate with a number of businesses, including Ripple, a financial technology startup renowned for its open-source distributed ledger technology and competence in international payments. Both groups' affiliated experts and analysts have acknowledged the collaboration, which continues a pattern of the U.S. government supporting Ripple's digital currency initiatives. An excellent example of this is the decision by the National Bank of Georgia to work with Ripple Labs in their venture into CBDCs. Because of these changes, market experts are predicting that the price of XRP will drop to around $10,000. According to its expected role in the International Swaps and Derivatives Association, XRP is predicted to handle more than $2 trillion worth of transactions. As XRP gains acceptance among governments and organizations around the globe, its worth as a token becomes more apparent due to the large number of transactions that occur within a single entity. Evaluating the effectiveness of the cryptocurrency in terms of both speed and cost, industry experts and enthusiasts are seriously evaluating the prospect that XRP's value may reach $1,000 or more. This is truly astonishing. It appears that XRP is rapidly becoming a big digital asset on a global basis, since 19 central banks have reportedly purchased XRP. This massive increase in XRP's value and use is evidenced by these deals, which total almost 9.4 billion euros. The value of XRP will surge, according to Chapter and other AI systems. One of them predicts that it will reach $550 in the near future. When asked about XRP's significance in the banking business, ISDA's president emphasized that it is crucial for enabling transactions worth over $1 trillion. The derivatives market would swell by an order of magnitude, sending shockwaves through financial institutions like Goldman Sachs, BlackRock, and JP Morgan Chase. Central banks are not only interested in purchasing XRP as an asset, but also in figuring out how to integrate the XRP ledger into their systems in order to conduct cross-border payments. Their massive purchases of XRP show that these banks see the cryptocurrency as a crucial component of the CBDCs they are building. Several central banks have reached out to Ripple in an attempt to build their CBDCs on the blockchain and utilize RippleNet for cheaper and more efficient financial transactions. Therefore, experts are re-evaluating their predictions for the future value of XRP. More and more people are starting to believe that XRP could reach $250 in the next months. The next clip will show you that this huge price increase is not only possible, but also seems more likely. You have my word for it. However, in order to prepare for what might be a lengthy few weeks or months ahead, let's establish the foundation for XRP before we go into the meat of today's video, which is packed with reports, linked papers, and an amazing price prediction. An influential capitalist firm and verified analysts are projecting a meteoric rise in the value of XRP, which would cause investors to become millions in a flash. The XRP ledger is the most well-known public blockchain globally, and its design for payments and currency production makes it an ideal fit for digital currencies produced by central banks. Ripple has built a private version of this concept that banks can utilize. For CBDCs to gain traction and be used extensively, it is essential that public and private groups work together. The function of architect and policy center will be taken on by the public sector, which encompasses central banks and governments, implementing the core competencies and establishing rules that CBDCs must follow in the wholesale and retail sectors is their responsibility. The commercial world, however, will soon see the emergence of new applications. The development of CBDCs on the XRP ledger is a collaborative effort between Ripple Labs and several nations and central banks, as acknowledged by Ripple executives. This lines up with statistics showing an increasing number of partnerships between Ripple Labs and CBDCs from some of the world's largest countries. Think about a nation that, according to a recent Finbold article, is building its CBDC on the XRP ledger. Over 15% of the world's governments are contemplating utilizing the XRP ledger as their foundation for digital money, according to the research. A number of nations are spearheading this initiative, including the UAE, Russia, HK, Japan, NM, and the Republic of Palau. Because of this change, XRP's price might reach $10,000 per unit, and it might end up facilitating transactions worth over $1.22 trillion. The XRP price tag of $15,000 isn't just feasible, it's essential. Even Ripple Labs co-founder Arthur Brito has emphasized the significance of scalability for XRP's global effectiveness. In agreement, Managing Director Jimmy Valley of Val Hill Capital estimates that XRP may be worth $10,000 to $35,000 per coin once it is regulated, especially if it becomes the go-to currency for international transactions. A settlement offer has reportedly been received by Ripple from the SEC, highlighting recent regulatory developments. Under the terms of this agreement, Ripple would pay a pitiful $20 million to ensure that XRP sales to institutions are not viewed as securities. The SEC has apparently accepted this offer, since they have canceled a pivotal settlement meeting. A statement regarding the settlement is expected to be released soon. This development is further supported by a comprehensive 584-page report that incorporates the views of numerous Americans regarding the potential implementation of US CBDC. With more than 111 citations, it is evident that the XRP ledger is of importance to the Federal Reserve for CBDC development. The massive amount of transactions processed by dollar point and this interest, it is widely accepted that the price of XRP should be $2 quadrillion. We observed these developments unfold, but according to the experts, XRP may be over $35,000 in the long run and over $550 in the short term. In the next few months, XRP and its components might experience a massive surge in value, ushering in a new age of revolutionary possibilities. That wraps up our coverage for the day. Alright everyone. What are your thoughts on XRP? Use the form below to tell us what you think and get involved. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. As for now, farewell.